So we created a system where on the floor, operators had one spot where they could put something in and say, hey, I'm going to write something that's related to this job. And they just happened to be able to see that note on the office side and also edit it on the office side. So what they started doing is they had a single text field and they started passing messages back and forth through there. They would sign their name on it, they would put the date on it, and they would just keep this log. And so we came in and we started seeing this going, oh, so because engineering can now talk to the floor through this, you're passing messages like crazy in this thing that was not built for that at all. That was not our intention. Our intention was, hey, here's a little note that goes along with this job. Cool, put it in there. And what we realized was, you guys really need a communication channel around this. And so we built it around what the customer need was. We didn't go in and say, you guys in manufacturing, we make software and we think you need a chat system. People started using tools that weren't even built for that to communicate. And we went, wow, you guys really need this. And then once we changed it over to the full-fledged chat system, there was great feedback on that. What we have in Excellerant is effectively a chat system. It's not the world's most complex chat system, but what it does is it builds everything around the machine. So if you have an operator and they're using the system to talk to engineering, so let's say there was an issue, hey, I need a new NC program, here's the problem, it's right after tool 2, something along those lines. They can communicate back and forth with engineering on it. Let's say they go home and there's somebody who is going to run second shift on that machine. When they log into Excellerant on a tablet or at a PC near that machine, they're going to get a little blinking button that says, hey, somebody was talking about something on this machine, and you can actually review this after coming in to see, oh, hey, they went back and forth on this, and oh, there's something going, oh, I really need to know about that. So you're not putting a post-it note up on the machine between shifts anymore to say, hey, make sure you don't do this because we're out of oil and I didn't have time to replace it, so don't run the machine until you do that. Now you have a blinking message when you change shifts, and the procedure becomes, hey, check if there are any messages for you. So you don't have to worry about that post-it note fell off. You don't have to worry about, okay, let me get the duct tape because we never want to have a mistake like what happened last time when the note didn't go through.